I'll start from telling you a story about a really, really strange island, far, far away in the ocean. And two types of people live in this island. And people of the first kind, they have very different personalities. So people of one kind, they never lie. They always tell truth. And the people of the other kind, they never tell truth. They always lie. So guess how the first type of people are called? They can be called knights, but they never lie. And people of the second kind, they're called liars. And they don't distinguish themselves neither by haircuts, nor by special clothes, just they have different personalities. And definitely they think differently, they speak differently, and they answer your questions differently. And before we start solving problems and about these people, let's do some practice. Let's try to get to knights and liars thinking mode. One more thing. Sometimes, since this island is so interesting, tourists visit this island. And tourists are new people, like you, like me. So we do lie sometimes, we tell truth sometimes, so everything can happen. So let's do some practice. First, each of you will choose a role, either to be a knight, or a liar, or a tourist. And then we'll ask you a few questions, and you will try to answer these questions according to your roles. And here we go. So, who wants to be a knight? Okay, you get knight. Who wants to be a liar? Finally, who wants to be a tourist? Okay, so who's there? Now I start asking you questions. Okay, so are you a boy? She's a liar, so she lies. Are you a boy?
No.
No. Are you a boy?
No.
No. So she is a tourist. She decided, she made the choice to answer truthfully this time. So she said no. How about you?
Yes.
Yes, you're a boy. Are you a girl? No. Are you a girl?
A boy?
A girl? No. Are you a girl?
No.
No. You're a nice. How about you? Are you a girl?
No.
No. So you decided, yeah, you're not going to lie. Okay, next question. How old are you? How old are you really?
10.
10. So you lied. How old are you?
10.
10. Probably you are 10. How old are you? 19. Great. I like this answer. Yeah, you're welcome to
Just
join.
for knights and liars.
Yeah, sure. So, knights, we are far away in the ocean on a strange island. Knights, they never lie. Liar, they never tell the truth. And tourists, sometimes they lie, sometimes they tell the truth. And they're kind of practicing. Would you like to be a knight, a liar, or a tourist?
I would like to be a knight.
A knight, so you need a knight's flag. Okay, so people with yellow flags are liars. People with flowers are tourists. So my question is, are there any liars in this room?
No.
No, there are not. Are there any liars in this room?
Yes, there are.
Okay, and what do you think? Are there any liars in this room? No. So she decided to lie. She has the choice. And probably one more question. How many children are there? Emily? How many children are there in this room? Great answer. So, now, probably you already noticed, if you are a knight, if you are speaking to a knight, it's very easy to figure out what he means. But since liars lie, sometimes it's very difficult to uncover the truth hidden behind liars' lies. So let's do some practice. Now we have Emily. She's very experienced liar. So she's going to tell you a few statements that they definitely they're lies, and you have to try to figure out what's really happening.
This purse is empty.
No, it's full. I see. I see it by the look of the volume. It looks like there's something from if you see like, I think I see some marks on the side of it, which means that there is definitely something in there. Kind of like a bended
It's, you know, you're trying to use the argument that you see. How about using an argument that since you know that she lies, that it cannot be empty, not because you see it, because you know.
I know it's
Mm-hmm.
There is a purple wallet inside this purse.
It's probably not purple. I bet it's just a ball. Maybe no ball.
Any other guesses? So it could be no wallet at all. It could be a wallet that's not purple. Anything else, or does it have to be one of those?
It could be a purple something else.
It could be a purple something else.
It could be a wallet, but it isn't purple.
That's true. That's one of our possibilities. So there could be a purple something that's not a wallet. There could be a wallet that's not purple, or there could be nothing inside.
I knew it. It's a wallet.
I'm 40 years old.
You're not 40 years old.
Could I be 39 years old?
Yeah.
Could I be 42 years old?
Yeah. You could be 39 and 11, 12.
You're right, I could. I certainly could. There are no girls in this room.
That is not true.
How do you know I'm lying?
Because they are all girls. Because you said that. You're a girl.
Good point. What if I said I'm at least 40 years old?
Then that could be argued.
Then maybe you're not at least 40 years old.
Then maybe you're. That gives a wider range, and that sort of can argue it with it.
So could I be 35? Could I be 1?
No, it could be.
I could be.
I can't be.
Good work, guys. Good deduction. So you used what I said to figure out what could be true because you knew that what I said was a lie.
Okay, now, thank you so much. So, once you came to this island and you met a boy, here he is. So, and he's telling you, and you don't know who he is, you don't know. Yeah, so he's telling you, I am a liar. And the important question is he from the island or is he a tourist?
If he's a liar, then he'd be a tourist. If he's lying that he's a liar. So basically, he's a tourist.
Okay.
He also might, if he's from the island, he could be a knight, which means, wait, no.
So let's see, we don't know who it is. So, could he be a a knight?
No.
No, he would never say to he would never say that he's a liar. Right? Would he be a liar?
No.
No, because in this case this would be a true fact. He's not supposed to tell us truth. Means he's neither a liar nor a knight. So he's a tourist. So, yes. So it's really, really important fact is that nobody from this island would ever tell you that he's a liar. Each islander would always claim that he's a knight. Okay, next question. Two girls, Mary and Kate, and they're both from the island, they are natives, and they're introducing themselves. And Mary says, one of us is a liar.
One of us is a liar.
So, who is who?
The one that told you the sign, because he's trying to rant out on the other girl so she can get herself out of us.
I think it's the other.
So, probably they're both knights, or probably they're both liars, or probably one of them is a knight and another one is a liar. What's going on?
They're tourists.
No, we do know already that they are from the island. They have perfect suntan. They're definitely from the island.
This is something weird.
She's her because if she's a knight, then she would be telling them the truth, and it wouldn't be her because she's
Okay, so you all started like, that's a great approach. You don't know who she is. You don't know who she is. Let's try. Wait, let's try. Let's see what's happening if she's a knight. So suppose she's a knight. Then she's supposed,
Well, if she's a knight, if she was a knight, she would say one of us is a liar, referring to her. So
Yeah. So this would make her to be a liar.
So this works.
So this works. What?
Is it the only thing?
Yeah. Let's see. What if she's a liar? So she's a liar.
How could I say one of us from a liar, one of us is a liar?
you can't because you're a liar, so
Well,
you're
maybe
not
you-
allowed to.
maybe both
Say
of you are lying.
Ah!
There. So if both of them are liars, is it possible for her to say that one of us is a liar?
Yes.
Yes.
When I said one of us is a liar, I mean exactly one of us is a liar. Not at least one. That's like Ashley when she said there's a difference between saying I'm 40 years old or I am at least 40 years old. When I said one of us is a liar, I was saying exactly one of us is a liar. So, can I say, if I'm a liar, can I say one of us is a liar if both of us are liars? Yes. So what do we know for sure? We can't tell. I could be a knight or I could be a liar. But what do we know for sure about her no matter what? Yeah.
She's a liar.
Yes. No matter what, she's a liar. Good job. You guys are good reasoners.
Wait, what do you mean by that one of us is definitely a liar? One of them, she's definitely a liar.
Well, let's do the reasoning again. So
Yeah.
if I'm a knight
Yes.
and I say this, then we know that she's a liar. If I'm a liar and I say this, we also know she's a liar. So no matter whether I'm a knight or a liar, she has to be a liar.
Could
It's
it
also-
be that neither of us is a liar?
No, if they both are knights, then this is a lie. Agree? If they both are knights, then this is a lie. So they cannot be knights. Also, actually, if you are a liar and if she's a liar, then this statement is correct statement.
Well, it's not
true
correct.
statement.
It's
It's
not
true
correct. It's appropriate for a
Yeah.
liar to say. This is not, if we're both liars, this is a lie. And if I'm a liar, I can say this. If only one of us, if I'm a knight, I can also, and she's a liar, I can say this. So no matter whether I'm a knight or a liar, I can say this if she's a liar.
Got it.
So we're able to reason with that. Sometimes you can figure out who one person is, but not the other.
Okay. So next problem. 2 more dolls. So now this is Emma. A young girl, she's 3 years old. That's Rachel. She's her older sister. And I asked Emma, are you a knight or a liar? But since she's 3 years old, she's very shy. We cannot hear what she's saying. So I asked her older sister, what did Emma say?
Emma said that she is a liar.
So my question is, could you tell us who is Rachel?
If you can, well, in my opinion, if you can hear her, she can hear her either. Or so basically, no matter what, she is lying, and I don't know what she could be.
No, we want to know who she is. That's very important.
She is a liar because if you can hear her, she can hear it.
Yeah, but she's her sister. She knows everything about her. She doesn't have to hear her answer. She has this. She knows everything about her sister.
I'm just gonna say she's a liar.
Okay, what's your argument, Emily?
I think that the older sister is a liar.
Why?
The older sister is a liar because she says that her younger sister said that she is a liar. And I forgot.
Okay, what do you want to say?
Well, I think she's a liar because if the younger sister said that if the younger sister was a liar, she couldn't have said I'm a liar.
Well, so maybe she was lying, as in she told her that Rachel was a liar. So it goes into that she is a liar.
Okay, all of these are great arguments. Now, do you remember this little boy, right, who told us that he is a liar? Do you remember we tried to figure out whether he's an islander or a tourist?
Yes.
Yeah, was he an islander or a tourist?
Tourist.
He was a tourist because an islander is not able to say that he or she is a liar. Agree? So now let's concentrate on this. So,
Wait, are they native here or are they?
yeah, they're both natives.
Oh.
Yeah, they're natives. So, she's a native. Is it possible for her, is it possible for Emma to say that she's a liar? No. So definitely she did not say that she's a liar. Agree? Now, this girl is trying to convince us that she said that she's a liar.
Yeah.
Who is she?
However, it's impossible for someone to say that they're a liar.
Yeah. She's a liar. Agree? Because Emma, definitely never said this. Therefore, Rachel lies to us. Therefore, Rachel is a liar.
Yeah. So basically, it's like this: if someone is not native to it and they say they're a liar,
they're tourists.
Yes.
And the natives who say that they are liars are usually liars.
Yes.
See, because you're lying.
Yeah, native, native would never say that he's a liar. Any native would say that he's a knight. Okay, next problem. Again, we have 3 girls. So, Mary. Okay, now we have 3 girls. First one, Ashley. She sounds to this girl, Betty.
Betty, you are a liar.
Next, Betty. She shouts to Cindy.
Cindy, you are a liar.
You are both liars.
So, who is who? Who is a liar? Who is a knight?
Wait.
Right. Okay.
Ashley liar, Betty liar, and I think Cindy's a knight.
Okay.
No, that wouldn't work because then if Betty was a liar, then Ashley wouldn't be lying when she said Betty was a liar.
Like, it's a very difficult problem. You don't know how to start. So, how about trying? So, let's try this option. Let's try it and see what's happening. If we assume, we don't know it, but let's assume that she's a liar. So, assume that she's a liar. Okay? She says to Betty,
You're a liar.
okay, then who should Betty be in this case? Yeah. Yeah, if she's a liar, then Betty should be a knight. Next, Betty is a knight. Who should Cindy be? A liar. Now, suppose she's a liar. Is a statement of hers, is it appropriate for a liar? Is it a lie or a true statement?
Technically it's true because it says you are both liars.
Yeah.
One of them is a liar, one of them is a knight.
Why not read them that Betty's a knight?
It would be appropriate.
Yes, it's appropriate because if these girls, one of them is a liar and another one is a knight, then the statement that they are both liars is a lie. Okay? So, this arrangement works. We found one answer, but we are not done. Let's try to figure out. Probably the other answer exists. What did,
Maybe Ashley is a knight.
yeah, maybe Ashley is a knight. So, if she's a knight, what would you say about Betty? She's a liar. Agree? Then,
Cindy's a liar.
Cindy is a knight. Agree? No, Betty says,
Cindy, you're a liar.
yeah, and she's a liar. So, who is Cindy?
A liar. Right, because she's saying that both of you are liars. And
Wait, no. First, we do know, we are starting, from, we do know that Betty, we assume that this Ashley is a knight. If Ashley is a knight, then Betty has to be a liar. Let's see, if we do know that Betty is a liar, who should be Cindy?
a liar because Ashley is a liar and she thinks that they are both liars.
No. I haven't said this yet.
So I said, I'm a liar, and I said, Cindy, you're a liar. What does that make her?
A knight. Oh, yes.
It makes her a knight.
But then, if I say you're both liars, we know I can't be a knight. So this doesn't work.
Yeah, so this doesn't. So we tried all possible options for Ashley. when we tried the option that he's a liar, we really found the answer. So, 2 liars and 1 knight. Then, since we wanted to find all possible answers, we also tried the second option for Ashley. We tried this option of her being the knight. And it didn't work out.
Is there a trash can?
Yes, outside.
But sometimes,
They could be lying.
sometimes there's 2 possibilities. Before, we had 2 possibilities, but this time we could see that there were 3. That there was only 1 possibility.
Okay, and we have another problem coming to you. Now, there is this detective story. You are all detectives. And a really precious diamond was stolen. And you know that it was stolen by somebody from this island. Either a knight or a liar. And you have 3 suspects. They're all from this island. And you've been lucky enough to overhear their conversation. So, and 3 of them said, so that's 1 suspect. And his name is Mr. X. He said.
I stole the diamond.
And another suspect. Here he is. His name is Mr. Y.
I did not steal the diamond.
And most dangerous one, Lady Z.
Mr. X did not steal the diamond.
Okay. Now, want to figure out who has a diamond? I will give you some time to think about it. Then think about it. If you think you have an idea, raise your hand. Okay. What do you think? And why do you think so?
Because maybe he didn't steal it, and she thinks that he didn't steal it. And if he lies,
Okay. Emily, what do you think about it?
Mine is basically saying that if she's a truth teller,
Mm-hmm.
then he's a liar,
Uh-huh.
and he's
Uh-huh. And what do you think about it?
I'm thinking he's a liar.
Mm-hmm.
She's a liar, and he's a knight.
Mm-hmm.
As in, Lady Z is trying to.
How
You
can
say
we both
Lady
be
Z-
liars if we're saying different things? He's saying he stole the diamond. I'm saying he didn't steal the diamond. Can we both be liars?
No, wait. Wait a minute. Just a second. Can you? Wait. No. That was basically.
So only one of us can be
Yes.
lying.
So then, let's assume it. We don't know whether she's a liar or whether she's a knight. So let's try pretending that she's a liar.
I was actually, some other person just stole my idea.
Okay, so should we try and pretend that she's a knight? So if you pretend that she's a knight, if you assume that she's a knight, who should Mr. X be?
Liar.
A liar. She says that he did not steal the diamond, and he says he stole the diamond. If she is a knight, he has to be a liar. So, does he have the diamond then? If he is a liar, and he says, I stole the diamond,
He would have to be a liar then, because then if neither of them did it, then he would have to be the liar.
She didn't say that she didn't do it. She
Yeah.
just said he didn't do it.
Yeah. So he doesn't do it. So either she has a diamond,
he's a liar and he says that he stole the diamond, then he must have stolen the diamond. So he must be the liar because he's saying that he did not steal it.
We know we have 2 liars in one night, right?
Yes.
The story says so. So we know that one of us is a liar and one of us is a knight. We can't both be, because we're saying opposite things. So we know whichever either of us is, he has to be a liar, because we know 2 liars and 1 knight. And we know that between Mr. X and me, only one of us can be a liar. So that means he has to be a liar, no matter what we are. So we know he's lying.
Yeah, it's one important piece of information that unfortunately I forgot to share with you. Good for me that she remembers about it. Yeah, we do know that there is just 1 out of these 3 suspects. There is just 1 knight in the middle. And then, if we assume that she is this knight, then these 2 guys are lying. Okay, so in this case, who has a diamond? He has
Mr. Y.
Mr. Y. But it was just our assumption. We also have to check. Another possibility, what if she's a liar? Oh, so she's a liar.
Then he would be telling the truth. And he would have stolen it.
Yeah, then he would be telling the truth. He actually stole the diamond.
But then he would be telling the truth too.
Yes.
So
I'll be a knight, that assumption, right?
You cannot be, but we do know that there is 1 knight and 2 liars in the group. So, if he's a liar, so now
Logic forces him to be a knight. So give him a green one,
Yeah.
and then we see that we
Yes,
have the wrong
right.
number. So if I'm a liar, he's a knight, and he's also a knight. But then the problem says they're 2 liars. So we know this can't be a
I
solution.
have a question. Why are they having this conversation anyway? I mean,
that's a very good question. You know that
We're saying they're true, they're a knight or a liar. We never said they were smart.
and probably there's 3 mafia bosses who got together for their secret meeting, and they kind of bragging about their mafia achievements. Or something like that, you don't know. Okay, now, we solved a lot of problems about people. Next problem is going to be about parents. And,
are we going to? When are we going to get to the point where we like? I think it's the point where are we going to use like each of us is going to do to say something like as like a knight or a liar or a chorus, say something at the end.
you know, we started from something a little bit late. Have you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we started from saying things as knights and liars.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we had some practice already. But
But just try it
you can try do it with your parents when you leave the session.
and do it.
With your parents when you leave the session. Now let's try to solve the next problem.
You know what I can decide?
So, we have 3 parrots. And we do know that out of these parrots, 1 parrot has a personality of he never lies. Another parrot has a personality of liar. Again, he lies. And the very last parrot, guess what kind of personality he has? Tourist, yeah. He calls himself trickster. And again, we overheard the conversation of these 3 parrots. And the first parrot, Holly.
I'm a liar.
And the second parrot, Dolly.
I'm a trickster.
the last parrot, Archie.
I'm absolutely honest.
Polly is a tourist.
How do you know that?
Because she said she was a liar.
Okay, very nice. We do know that neither a liar nor a knight would never say anything like this. Yeah, so Polly is a tourist. Now, we have 2 more parrots left.
Then Dolly will be a liar because she's the trickster.
Yeah, she has to be a liar because she cannot be trickster. Yeah, so Archie's an honest parrot.
Light.
Yeah, knight or honest parrot. Nice. Now, how about, so you wanted to talk as a knight or as a liar? I'll have a problem for all of you. So once you came to the island, okay, and do you want to be a knight? Okay, so, and you met a local knight, and you asked him exactly the same question twice, and he gave you 2 different answers. How could it be?
What was the question?
I don't know what the question was.
How could it be? Because I'm probably a liar.
No, really, you are a knight. We do know that you are a knight. And we asked him the same question, exactly the same question, 2 times in a row, and he gave 2 different answers.
So I'm a liar.
No, you are a knight. You know
I'm
that.
right.
Are you a knight or a liar?
So you ask him, are you a knight or a liar? What would you answer to this question if she asked this question to you first time?
I'm a knight.
Yes. How about the second time?
I'm a tourist.
No, you're a knight. You're a knight. You have this knight's flag. What should you answer?
I'm a knight.
Yeah, so the same answer 2 times. So this is an interesting question, but the answer is the same. Doesn't matter how many times you ask it. And some other question.
I know.
Okay.
Are you a tourist?
Okay. Now, suppose we ask you this question. Are you a tourist? No. Are you a tourist? Same question. Same answer.
I mean, yes.
What aren't you? What are you not?
What are you not?
I'm a liar.
Okay, what are you not?
A tourist.
I really love this question. That's a very, very nice question. Any other question?
saying both. I'm saying I am not a liar, but I'm not a tourist. I'm a liar.
Any other? In fact, there are a lot of interesting questions like this. This was a really, really nice question. What you are not? How about some other questions?
Are you a liar?
Are you a liar? Are you a liar?
No.
Are you a liar?
Yes.
You has to be no. You're a knight. Okay, I'll give you a hint. How about if you ask him a question about something that changes? Would the answer be the same or different?
What is your mood like now?
What is your mood like?
Maybe something like, what is the time?
What is the time? Very nice question. Like your mood might remain the same, but time always changes. What is the time?
11:14, I think.
Yes, in a minute I ask you, what is time?
15.
Yeah, so a different question, different answers, the same question.
Well, like, can we explain anything? Because we only ask the question.
Suppose you can.
Okay, so suppose that when you ask the question for the first time, like study and everything, and you ask it the second time, It's like a storm.
Uh-huh.
So what's the weather?
Okay, yeah, we can time it to the weather. If we are lucky enough and there is some change in the weather, we can ask him about this change in the weather. There is another question that I really like to ask. So what if I ask you the question? How many questions have I asked you?
Oh, I don't know. I have lost count.
Okay, probably can you ask this question to him? It would be easier for him to count.
How many questions have you asked her?
I don't even know.
It should be how many questions have I asked you?
How many questions have I asked you?
One. Now ask him the same question one more time.
How many questions have I asked you?
2.
Okay, nice. Good work. Another question, the same question. Different answers.
Yes.
Uh-huh. So now
I'm doing well.
you're really doing well as a knight, and you all are doing really well as detectives, and you're really doing well as people who are coming up with smart questions. Now we have more problems for you. Okay, now we have a lot of people in the room, and all of them are partying. They all got together, and you are a tourist, and you come to this party, and everybody at this party says the same statement.
There are some liars in this room.
It says
There are some liars in this room. There are some liars in this room.
there's some
There's some-
liars.
And this room is just us. You're not.
Yeah. You
You're
just
behind the glass
yeah,
pane.
you are a tourist. You are just observing. You are spying on them.
There are
And-
some liars in
There's some liars in this part of the room.
And I want to point out some. It's probably 1, probably 2, probably 3, but definitely not 0. So, what's going on? Can you tell anything about these people?
No, that's a whole liar.
You think that they are all liars?
I think so too.
Okay, what do you think?
I agree.
Okay, so suppose they're all liars. Suppose they're all liars. Then, how about this phrase, there are some liars in the room? Is it a true statement or not?
No, yes, it's a true
They're all
statement.
sort of all liars.
Yeah, they're sort of all liars.
They are all
Yeah, but,
it says they say some liars, but it's all liars.
some it's all, like, some liars it means like, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe all of them are liars.
Some means not
Maybe
0.
six.
Not zero.
Some
Not
means
zero.
not 0. That's all it
Zero.
means. So some could be all.
So, if they're all liars, then they think us true things. This cannot be
I don't
true.
know.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. So a portion of them are knights and a portion of them are liars.
Okay,
I don't know which ones are
let's
which.
try it. Portion of them are knights, portion of them...
Like 3 are.
Okay, 2 and 3 maybe, or something. So, okay, so now these are knights, these are liars. Okay, can she, a knight, say this statement?
Yes.
Yes, that's fine.
But the
Can,
liars can't, because if they say there are some liars in the room,
uh-huh.
well, they're supposed to lie.
Agree. Very nice.
And to say that they're not liars.
Yeah, so, could it be that there, like, could it be that there is a key, like, is it possible for us to have a liar in the room? Could he be a liar?
Yeah.
Yes or no? So suppose he's a liar, or maybe a few people are liars. It means that there is 1 liar in the room, or more than 1 liar in the room. What this fact makes this statement? Is it a true statement or a lie?
Example would be lie.
Yeah, it would be. No, it would be. Are you sure it would be a lie? He is a liar. He is a liar. He says there are some liars in the world.
It's a lie because there's only one liar.
No, some. One works fine for some.
Actually, if you would be a liar, not true.
Yeah, if he would be a liar, this statement would be true.
But no, wait a minute, I get it. They're tourists.
Okay. Yeah. So none of them can be liars. Definitely no liars. Because if at least one of them is a liar, then he says a statement that it's a true statement.
So we can't say that.
Yeah, no boy.
It can't be a night either.
Because if he says, because if he's a knight and everybody else is a tourist, then he can tell you.
Yeah.
And they're all tourists.
Yeah, nobody can be like, they cannot be knights, because if we know that there are no liars, then this is definitely a lie. So they're all tourists. Hey, that was very nice.
I knew it. I got close.
That was a really difficult problem, and you mastered it. That was great. And we have two more problems for you. Now I need a different handout. It's even more difficult and more interesting problem. Okay, now we have. Okay, here we have. Yes. So again, you are visiting the island, and there you meet a group of 3 islanders. So that's a boy named Tom, a boy named Max, and a nice girl. Okay, she's Betty. That's probably Dr.
Confused?
Yes. Oh, you are not saying anything. That's it. Yeah, you're just staying.
You're just here.
Yeah. So that's Betty. Now, and you ask each of them the same question. How many nights are in the room?
1. None.
Yeah. And my question is, so Max replied 1, Tom replied 9. My question is, can you find out who Betty is? And can you figure out what her answer is?
Tom's answer is a lie because there are no, wait, are we talking about liars?
So question is, how many nights are in your group?
Yes, so if she's a knight and she says there are no nights, she can't be a knight.
Yeah, so if she's a knight, he would never say that, right?
So she...
Yeah, she's
I know.
she's a liar.
Are they natives?
Yeah, they are all natives.
Oh, then Max is a knight and Tom is a liar.
How do you know that Max is a knight?
Because she's saying that she is that one.
Well, if she's a knight, then
Yeah,
he would
but-
have to be a knight too.
Oh.
One.
Because there's only one line.
One night.
Is the question how many nights or how many lives?
How many nights?
If there's only
Or what
one
is
night, she, or, Betsy is a liar. Because there's only one night.
But that would
But suppose I'm a liar.
Yeah.
I'll be a liar. Maybe.
Yeah, so if she's a liar, then how many nights should be in the group?
None.
That's a lie. Definitely not none. Either 1 or 2. Then if we assume that she's a liar, then definitely not 1. Agree? It makes it 2 nights. But
It's impossible for Tom to be a liar
yeah,
than night.
it's impossible for just one person to be these 2 nights. Right?
Yeah, but still,
Wait, Max is a knight and the other two are liars.
What, Emily, what do you want to say?
Well, a knight can't say that there are no knights because a knight would be a knight, and a liar can't say that either because every islander says that there are knights.
Let's say, no, I didn't ask her whether she's a knight. I asked how many knights you have in your
Oh,
book.
I know.
One. Okay. So, yeah, she's definitely a liar. Then, if we assume that she's a liar as well, it means we have to have two knights. If they're both aligned, then it's not true that we have no knights. It's not true that we have one knight. But we cannot have two knights or three knights because there is just one person left. So,
how is Max a liar?
yeah. So Max is not a liar.
Max is a knight, and
Max is
the
a
last
knight.
person is a liar.
And the last person is a liar. So,
Or there's another option where Max. No, wait, no, that could be an option. I just realized that. But
okay.
basically, that's the only option. I figured it
That's
out.
the
Max
only
is
option.
a knight.
Yeah. Nice. Congratulations. Now we are kind of running out of time. So, if you liked this activity about knights and liars, there are similar activities going on about here. One is a little bit easier than our activity. This is activity about heads. About heads?
Green eyes and brown eyes?
Blue eyes.
Yeah. Yeah, island of green eyes and brown eyes. It's a similar activity, but it's a little bit more difficult than ours.
I'm going to add even push more from our guys.
Yeah. So that's it.
It's been a very good audience.
Thanks
Yes.
for coming.